Chamgei mising chitab Kalenjin among ole chamegei eng olda tugul ole imite ole tesetai nyorune tugetab Kass TV eng betut nebo kwang'wan kasi tarik 12 arawetab sogol eng kenyitab 2024. Kakoit kasarta nebo tetutiet neichome mising noto nebo Kass Mashinani neitun agenge eng agenge kong'ete Kass TV kong'ete nguno ole kiitini komonutiet neo logoiwek cheng'ete tokwek cheterter chebo emetab Kenya. Itakat ketestai tuwai eng kibagenge nesomanwo kikwane Bernard Koech. Katestai ak ongelelchinetab boisiet kiboitinik cheboisie eng sukulitab barak nebo Moi University eng county nebo Uasin Gishu ole kakimit icheket kole mawekchinigei boisiet ako kisuldochine magutikwai kondochin afisaek chebo kibagengeitab Universities Academic Staff Union anan UASU kokamwa kiboitinichoto kole tesetai koesio sukulitab barak nebo Moi University kokoshi icheket rirekwai ako noto kobendi kongelelchine boisiet akoi konyor imandang'wai kinyoru ng'alaletab kandoichoto ng'alaldos eng taonitab Eldoret.
Solidarity. Yes.
Yenu hapa kuna wahadhiri wa chuo kikuu cha Moi, na kama mnavyofahamu kwa wiki ya 3 sasa hawa wahadhiri wamekuwa kwa mgomo. Wamegoma kwa sababu mwajiri wao hajawalipa mshahara miezi 2, pia hajapeleka pesa yao ya kustaafu ya pension kwa pension scheme miaka karibu 5, hajalipa pesa kwa bank kwa loan yenye wahadhiri walichukua. Kwa hivyo bank saa hizi zimepeleka hawa wahadhiri kotini. Kwa hivyo wahadhiri walienda mgomo, walipeana notice, ilani ya kuenda mgomo, na wakaanza mgomo. Kwa hivyo hii ni wiki ya 3 yenye wanaendelea na hiyo mgomo. Mwajiri kufikia saa hizi hajatekeleza hayo maneno yenye alisema atatekeleza. Kwa hivyo tutaendelea na mgomo yetu mpaka wakati tutapata mwajiri anasuluhisha hizo shida zenye tunapitia zote. Ni vigumu sana kuwa mhadhiri wa chuo kikuu cha Moi. Moi ni chuo cha pili katika nchi ya Kenya na ni chuo kinaheshimika sana, lakini wahadhiri wanapitia shida nyingi sana na wamepitia kwa muda mrefu, na wamefika mahali wameamua haitakuwa kama kawaida. Kwa hivyo ndio wamejitokeza kwa hii mgomo. Asante.
My name is Dr. Jane Michael. I'm the National Trustee and the Chapter Trustee. And I'm here again to continue in solidarity with my colleagues of the continued oppression from the employer. When we talk about pension, we are talking about the life of a worker who has served, endured, and depleted their energies. So when they are released to go home empty-handed without whatever savings they were having with the university, with the employer, it means you are telling them to go and die. And before we reach there, because this is an aging university, you understand it is the second university in Kenya, meaning majority of these workers are aging. In fact, when you look around, you don't see the Gen Zs here. You are seeing people who are almost above 50 years, majority of us, meaning we are preparing to go home. We cannot prepare to go home while we see our pension scheme coming down. Our monies are deducted. They are never remitted. Pensions, when they are remitted on time, they earn interest. When they are delayed, it means it is not going to attract interest, meaning whatever amount you are going to take home will be lesser as compared to other colleagues from universities with functional pension schemes. In particular, even if we are going to listen to anything else, we cannot listen to anything else less than pension remittance. And we have said enough is enough. We have colleagues, around 17 of them, who already have received red flags. They have been indicated by pension that you are likely to go home without any cent because the monies that were there is already depleted. University of Eldoret has been supporting us because they have been remitting. And other universities who have who previously were within pension scheme of Moi University, they have pulled out because they realize that the pension of Moi University is no longer functional. If the mother university is not remitting, who are they to remit? Therefore, because we also saw the other day the pension scheme of Tuk coming down, it is a red flag to Moi University dons. And that is why we are, do not stay at home. Do not contribute your pension which is not being remitted, and you stay at home thinking that things, you are safe. You are not safe. Come out and shout at the rooftops so that we can save it from collapse. Yes. Unless you do that, my friend, you will go home without any earnings from what you've been deducted from and what the employer has been deducting from its payroll. Again, the July salary was paid half. We've been waiting for the part of the July salary. This is the month of September. You can imagine we are still talking about July salary. It indicates that this management is not serious at all. And you know, majority of our council members could be working elsewhere and they have earned their salaries. It is morally upright to think about your worker. And you know they wanted us to negotiate with our salaries. We cannot negotiate salary. After employing a worker, it is the duty of an employer to pay salary, but not to call you again to go and sit on the table to negotiate on the salaries that they have already assigned to you. So we are saying, we want our salary, part of our salary for July. We want our pensions remitted immediately. We want our pensions for August remitted, plus other statutory deductions and third parties. And we are saying our salaries have not been paid in full for 2 years. They have not remitted for July. They have not remitted for August. So it means we earned net salary. We cannot continue to earn net salary. Colleagues, we must stop these bad manners. If we don't stop these bad manners, it is going to swallow us. And we cannot allow the employer to say, if we pay you gross salary, the university will go down. It is not, we are not going to be sacrificial lambs so that the university doesn't go down. We have refused to be sacrificed on behalf of the university. We are also pleading with the government. Can you pay lecturers from the exchequer? Pay lecturers from the exchequer. Why are you mistreating lecturers who have the highest qualification? The other day we broke ties with IPU-CCF because we were negotiating our 2021-2025 CBA. They gave allocation to a group, a few individuals from senior lecturers to the professors and neglected the majority of lecturers. Scale 10, 11, and 12, where majority of us are, they gave them a 0. And the people who colluded and pleaded with SRC to give us a 0 as IPU-CCF, who are the vice chancellors. We don't want to negotiate with vice chancellors again. We want to negotiate with our employer. Our employers are the councils. Because these people are evil, they mismanage universities, after mismanaging universities, they are not unable to pay, and they want to take a shortcut of denying members or denying these teachers, colleagues, an increment in their salary. We cannot serve without getting an increment because all other civil servants have gotten an increment.
Chotachitab Kalenjin ko pichainik cheitun kong'ete taonitab Eldoret ole kong'ololjin sirikab logoiwek eng kasarta nenwach nekakosirto ofisek chebo kibagengeitab UASU chapter nebo Moi University kosubkei ak ongelelchinetab boisiet netesetai kosuldae kiboitinik anan lecturers chebo sukulinoto kocheng'ei imandang'wai. Ko yekitestai chitab Kalenjin ketokchinigei county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet ole katestai serikali eng county noto bo Elgeyo Marakwet kokoito konetisiet koityi meng'ikab county noto kotinygei kasari ak kokoitoetab kibandishek chebo kasari cheikoitoi serikali chenootin mising kou Maisha Card. Kotie kosubkei ak DCC nebo Keiyo North Julius Maiyo komamite amune age tugul asimatoi koib biikab emet kibandishek choto nootin ko Maisha Card. Kinyoru Andrew Kimeto ak ripoti noto eng koindo.
Ing kasarta netesetai kosuldoe serikali letaetab kibandok chebo kasari chenat ko Maisha Card kokakekoito kurset koityi meng'ikab Keiyo North koboisie kasari akoipchi kakwautiet noto kamanutiet neo. Kong'ololi eng kebeberata ye kangokoitoi kanetisiet kotinygei ak kamanutietab kibandok choto komwa sub county commissioner nebo kebeberata Julius Maiyo kole makoi kotoi serikali tetutiet age tugul newendi koweche imandab biikab emetab Kenya ne noto komakat eng icheget kokushi kong kursonoto bo serikali akotil kibandok choto bo Maisha Card.
Ningependa kutoa wito kwa wananchi kwamba mipango ya serikali, mipango yote serikali inatoa ni mipango ya kuwafaidi. So ni wa impress kwa sababu hakuna serikali ambayo inataka kuleta mipango mbaya kwa watu wake. So kama hii tunasema ukiangalia katika vile maneno inaendelea dunia siku hizi, we are digitizing everything. So itakuwa faida kwao kuchukua hii maisha namba na hiyo Maisha Card, kwa sababu Maisha Card itawasaidia hata kusafiri, itawasaidia hata to store their information. We want to go paperless as a country. So ndio tunawaambia wapokee mipango ya serikali kwa sababu ni mizuri na itaweza kuwafaidi.
Kong'ong commissioner noto kole tindoi kamanutiet neo kibandok choto amu kikonori logoiwek tugul chetinye chito eng kibandok choto anan personal data.
Inaweza store information, more information ya watu. So this is ini kama third generation ya ID na ni muhimu kwa sababu iko na features mingi. Inaweza hata kutumiwa to travel within the East African community, na pia inabeba a lot of data kuhusu mtu. So tunawaambia wananchi kwamba waweze kukata hiyo ama wapate hii kitambulisho mpya, that is Maisha Card, kwa sababu itawafaidi unlike the other one.
Ing kasarata ko kasomose noto meng'ikab komosata komongei kora akoib birth certificates ak death certificates amu bo kamanut kartasi choto ing kasuldaetab cheng'etab tetutikab serikali.
Watu wengi wamekuwa wakichelewa sana kuchukua zile parts ama dates, na hiyo imesababisha mambo mengi. Kwanza kwa wale wanafunzi ambao wanataka kujiunga na shule ya msingi, hata wengine wanakaa mpaka wakati wanajiunga na shule ya upili, ama watu wengine hata watu wanakuwa watu wazima bila kuwa na hizo hati. So tumeenda kuwaelezea umuhimu, na vile tumeona reaction ya wananchi wameweza kuelewa, na wengi wao wako tayari kuchukua hizo stakabadhi.
Kong'ete county nebo Elgeyo Marakwet, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass, kainenyu ko Andrew Kimeto.
Yakatestai ak logoiwekab emet ko tetat kokon tilet eng kasarta age tugul kapkirwok nebo Supreme Court kotinygei kirwoket nebo Finance Bill 2023 nekiwirta kapkirwok nebo High Court ak kapkirwok nebo Court of Appeal ole kokiwong kasetab kesinoto eng betutab amut kosomok kasi. Komwa wakilikab serikali ak chebo bunge kole manyolu kitonon bilinoto bo Finance Bill amu wendi kokonu kaimutik cheechen chetinyegei ak kweetab aisurushek kobate eng kebeberta ng'wai. Komwa wakiliek chebo kebeberta neishoi ng'atutienoto kole kikisirto bilinoto komakisub ng'atutik chemakotin eng kenyinoto bo 2023. Kosubkei ak Chief Justice Martha Koome kowendi kapkirwok nebo Supreme Court kochikili logoiwek tugul chekoikoito keberek tuwai kotomo kokon tilet eng kasarta age tugul.
We will consider the submissions and deliver the judgment on notice. It seems like the Court of Appeal now raised the standard or changed the yardstick and introduced new parameters that were not anticipated in the FIVAN or the BET. The question I'm asking is that a breach of the requirement of public participation when it was not known, or was it a new framework that was introduced to raise the bar? And therefore my question is that unconstitutional, or it is a procedure that was now introduced? Is it a mere infraction because it is agreed there was public participation? It's only that the bar was raised. And when the bar was raised, parties were not given an opportunity now to comply with that bar that was raised.
Yakitestai ak logoiwekab emet chitab Kalenjin ketokchinigei county nebo Kericho ole tesetai eng nguni kabatikab chaik chebo factoritab chaik nebo Toror KTDA factory eng county noto bo Kericho ak tuyet ole mochei kabatichoto kibeesyo factory noto ak nebo tegat KTDA eng lipanetab bonuses ak boisionik alak chetinyegei ak kabatisiet noto nebo chaik ole eng nguni kenyoru sirindenyo nebo logoiwek Robert Siele nemitei kosubi tuyonoto bo factoritab chaik nebo Toror KTDA factory en county nebo Kericho kemoche kikochi soet asikotestai kwarurwech kotinygei ak kit netesetai eng nguni. Robert Siele ngotinyorwo konengung soet.
Kongoi missing Ben koechen studio nebo Kass TV anyorunen oret nekararan. En nguni amiten en factory noton nebo chaik nebo Toror KTDA factory en county nebo Kericho ole kongeten betab raini kokamiten en tuyet ne inegen kot missing temikab chaik kongeten county noton nebo Kericho missing ko chebutyin chaik kwak factory noton nebo Toror KTDA factory ole moche icheket koker kole kaimuch kitoyo factory noton ak nebo tegat KTDA factory en mwaet kole en kasarta nekoi koi kobun icheket kewelutik missing kotinygei ak lipanetab bonus. Mwae temichoton kole icheket koibchin kamanut missing butet noton nebo chaik anan bute quality icheket kobaten kewelutiet nemiten en nguni ko kasarta nekiyoe average chebo lipanetab bonus ole moche koker kole kaimuch kitoyo. Ben koech kabit kora niton en kasarta nekoimuch kondochi principal secretary nebo kabatisiet en emoni noton ko Dr. Paul Rono tuyet neo nebo koker kole kaimuch kecheng walutiet en terchinosiek cheu chuton en factory noton nebo Chelal KTDA factory en county nebo Kericho ak nebo Litein KTDA factory ole koimuch kobarasta kole kitoyo factory choton en lipanetab bonus ak koib kawagat ak kanyonyet neo kot missing. So en nguni ko cheikere en tabanyu Ben koech ko alak en temik chebo county nebo Kericho ole ameche sikobit keng'alal komwawech kole kwarorwech kole tos en betab raini ko ne kit nemoche, tos moche ne icheket ako ne kit nemoche kilitit en betab raini. Ben koech nan asam kuteng'alal ame itaunen kainet kikuren ng'o? I agenge en temik chemiten en en betab raini ako ne kit nemokyinigei?
Kit nekikuren Richard Arap Rono, kit nekimokyinigei en yu ko kebesien ak Toror. No kebesien ak tegat amun en 2017 ko kikang'alalen ng'alek chekiu chuto kora kele kimoe kebesien ko nguni kora kotomo kebesie, kemoche kebesie raini ako oin kora kokakemwa keng'alal kele kimoche kebwa ngoki Toror amun boisiet nekiyoe en Toror kebute chaik chebore quality. Ko ngeba komosin bo tegat ole kikekasta kora kobute chaik chemo quality ako nguno bute quantity kebute quality. Ko sai kora kongomong bonus ko kongekeren aldaet nekokialde en listit nenyon ko kokimi barak biikab Toror ko komi ngweny olin lakini komoe kora koyomech en singeib rabisiek bokeyai chebore average. Ko average ino kikochilech kong'eten kenyisiek chon tugul kiome rabisiek chemi ngweny kokwome chechang amun mi kiloisiek kwak barak lakini ko echek kitinye quality nekakalian kimi ngweny, mi ngweny rabinikyok kemoe ketoye raini ak tegat kaboyot kikebesie.
Mangen miten directors chemara kikolewen korong'ololchin ako kole ak ne directors.
Kingeng'ololi ak director ko ki en tai ko kingeng'ololi tugul ko kikole kingeng'ololi tugul ak director ot kingosome kura ko kilechech kikebesie keny kole kon moketinye ng'al ak tegat kimi Toror ko echeken lakini oin komong tuguchu bokiborosto kolene kora tokemi komosin takemi takeyochech en tegat ako kiakelechech momiten nemokoyochech so ko nguni ko kekere king'alech kora ng'alech icheket komatokong'wowech imanit ko ngunon kiboisien lembeita asikowek office kora ngunon ko mokemoche ng'alekwak ko kot kotestai ngunon kora kotor keng'ololi keker kele yekauit kasit kesire kesire ko sigik tugul temik tugul akemach keisten kimpichen direktaek chon kingalech.
So mi kora chi name kengalal na kun roito no sike ngalalen royu simwa ile kuren ngo kainengung ko kuren ngo ako imiten en betab rain ne kit ne imache ko agenge en temindetab chaik ak mengik chebo anan mengindet nebo county nebo Kericho tina kuyu.
Kongoi mising. Kit nekimache en betutab rain ko kebeshin tegat ak toror. Kou ye kiyakemwoe en kenyisiek nekit 5 chekokoba 7 chekikoba. Kenyisiek 7 chekikoba kakimwoe kele kimache kebeshin tegat ak toror. So kimache ketelel ra ko ki toror en betutab rain. Anan ko manon ko makibute chaik kyok kotai kotok kele ne kit netesetai en yu. Kikakiarorwech lakini korosei kwongeten oin konekit kabwa bonas ichu kemwoe kele tom kebeshe kora. Lakini ko kit nekokimong'u kokilenen kikebeshe keny kinome tuguk kyok lupchanik kyok chekikeyai kobwa koi. Ko kimache tuguk kyok chebwone yu ko chechoket echeken. Makimache keamde lupchanik kyok akoi kimache ko echeken chekenome tuguk kyok. Amun lupchanik kyok kemache kobukwech nitoni. So ngebute quality kobute koyin mara tuguk chemi ngweny. Ko karon kou ingon kekose kele kikenyini kinyet ako kikimi barak. Ko ki rabinik kyok ko kimi barak. Ko chekibo olimbo komosin tegat ko kimi ngweny. Kele kinyokituitos ak keyai average ak kepcheunen oeng korik oeng. Ko cheba ne? Ako kikebwan koinyon. Ako kitinye koinyon boisie boisionik tugul kou cheboisien ireu. So kemache tuguk kyok keker kele kakinam lupchanik kyok kibu lupchanik kyok uon kimi mbar kila siku.
En kun kora kemoe kelipan bonus. Tos ikere ile mara kambakoshek cheu chu anan kanyonyet nemuch koyai kou nguni ko imuch koter anan kotokekake lipanetab bonus ako mara ko mokyinigei rabisiek en nguni.
En ine nguni ko kikose kele kokibarasta kele bonus chebo kenyini ko koinyoni kokile 25 ko kikose mokingen ine ngot it is true. Kele ko kit neu kora koin ko 25. Ko sikoikai noto ko amun kokiyomo rabinik kyok ak chebo koin ak kepcheunen nechoe. Anibuch en kaset chetai ngalalutik chetai ko kikimwoe kele kindoi en siling 30 en kiloit. Lakini nguni kokile 25. Komakinoe kele kobun ano tuguk cho kanyolu ko tuguk kyok kobwa koi. Amun koi ko kikotech boisiek chekibo tai ak kikechut ak echek ketech kemoe tuguk kyok komong nguni. Kimoe tuguk kyok komong nguni. Nguni komong nguni. So konoto kongoi mising abunu TG6 Kaboswa Samuel Arap Chirchir. Kongoi mising.
So ben koeshin kengalalen nguni akere alak en kandoik chekakomuch koit kobwa komasta kongeten anan kondochin noton ko MCA nebo warditab Kapsoi noton ko Paul Chiriet Tarimbo. Akere kora membetab kot nengaten ngatutik nebo Ainamoi noton ko Benjamin Langat ole kaimuch kobwa icheket tuyoniton sinyokomuch koker kole kaimuch kongalal ak biikab emet mising ko temikab chaik kecheng walutietab chokyinet kotinygei ak kaimutyonoton. So ben koech chuton kityo ko logoiwek chetesetai kisubi en nguni mongen en kasarta ne mara kait kongalal kandoik kotesetai tuyoniton nebo Kas Mashinani ko mara kora keweke sikeker kele kaimuch kenyor ngalalet ab kandoik choton ak kekas tokyinenywan bo gei ak en chengetab walutiet nemoche temik kibesho factory noton nebo Toror ak nebo Tegat KTDA factory. So ben koech nawekun soet konyo studio nebo Kas TV asiketestai kisub asikeibun en logoiwekyok chemiten tai. Kainenyun ko Robert Siele kongeten factorytab Toror KTDA factory en county nebo Kericho. Testai iker Kas TV amun kimnatet naet.
Kongoi mising Robert Siele kuyakemwa man ko kimnotet naet ko mite komasata Robert Siele kosubi kotinygei ak tuyonoto tesetai eng nguni asikobit koibwech eng logoiwekab emet chemite tai. Yekitestai ketokyinigei county nebo Narok ole kayai tuyet committees chetononjin ribetab kalyet kobun counties chebo Narok ak Bomet asikocheng walutiet nebo chokyinet kotinygei ak yautik chebo chorsetab sigiroik ak aldaetab banyek chebo sigiroik chekotestai keborionji eng counties chotok aeng. Kakiyai tuyonoto eng ofisitab County Commissioner nebo Narok Kipkech Lotiatia ole komite County Commissioner nebo Bomet Dr. Ahmed Omar koboto ofisai kobun ministries chebo tililindo ak ribetab kalyet kokiite koshinetab keito kibagengeit nenaat mising ko multi-agency team kobun counties choto tuwai asikondochi operation nebo katerteretab yautik chebo engset ak chorsetab sigiroik eng counties chebo Narok ak Bomet.
Hii mikutano ambayo tumekuwa na leo ni wa mkutano ya kamati ya usalama ya kaunti ya Bomet na Narok ambayo tuko hapa na wadau pia, na ni kuhusu mkutano ambayo ni kuhusu mambo ya mikakati na pia sheria na pia rules ambayo inalinda mambo ya vile chakula ama nyama ama wanyama vile inasafirishwa na mambo mengi ambayo yanahusikana haswa kwa mambo vile wanyama vile wanasafirishwa kutoka sokoni mpaka mali pa kuchinjiwa kichinjioni na mali mpaka kule butchery mali wanachinjwa kule. Na nikisema mambo ya wadau ni wote kama kamati ya usalama na pia madaktari wa veterinary pia wakiwemo ndani, na tumekuja kujikumbusha na kuhakikisha kwamba ile sheria imewekwa imetekelezwa. Ikiwa kama ni usafirishaji wa wanyama, kuna sheria ambao inasema ikiwa kama unataka kusafirisha mnyama kutoka point A mpaka lingine lazima hii ufanye na hii, na pia kuhakikisha pia ile time ile wakati wanyama wanasafirishwa, na pia na usafi kwa mambo ambao maeneo ama butchery ama pia mali soko ambao hao wanyama wanachinjiwa, kwamba wanyama wote ambao wanachinjwa inainspektiwa na madaktari na wale wanapaswa kwa sheria kuhakikisha mambo nyama ambayo inachinjwa inakuliwa baada ya kukaguliwa. Kwa hivyo hayo ndio mambo tulikuwa tunajadiliana siku ya leo na wadau. Wananchi have been warned not to take maybe sick animals which are weak to be slaughtered in slaughterhouse. And we have asked our law enforcement officers, including meat inspectors and veterinary officers, to ensure that animals which are actually slaughtered in slaughterhouse, our slaughterhouses are those animals which are very healthy and not sick animals. And that one, we were with the support of including even the residents and locals from the two counties, and we are alert. And we've also informed our officers on the ground, including the girls, the assistant chiefs and chiefs, to ensure that wananchi are also sensitized to make sure that they don't take these animals. Instead of taking them to slaughterhouse to be slaughtered, waite onani madaktari wa veterinary watibu.
And as you can see, we are a combined team, inter-county team from Bomet and Narok. You know, our main job is protection of life and property. That's why we are concerned about the movement of meat during the night, and we are concerned with the status of our slaughterhouses. And this is actually what brought us here, because we need to protect the lives. We need to protect the lives of people who are taking this meat. We need to ascertain the status of this meat. We need to ensure that those doing this business are actually, and you know, as per the rights, they're in the right side of the law. We want to make sure that they're doing that. So we formed a multi-agency team from both counties, and also for each and every county, to ensure that we are able to communicate and network, and to bring up any issue through our WhatsApp group, to bring up any issue that requires our immediate attention. What you know, the spirit here is collaboration and networking. Basically that is it. Nataka pia ni hamasishe wananchi wote wa Bomet kuhakikisha kwamba wakiona mizoga pahali ambayo itahitajika kusafirishwa, wapitishe habari mapema kabla hii mizoga haijafika kwa slaughterhouses. Wako na sheria, constitution inasema kuna kitu inaitwa citizen arrest. Wa report kama kuna police station haraka, lakini kama hakuna police station wajitokeze, hata mtu aende kwa police post alete askari ili hiyo kazi ifanyike. They can even arrest those people themselves and take to the police station. They are allowed. So sheria inaruhusu wafanye jukumu lao, nasi tunahakikishia tutafanya jukumu letu.
Kitokyinigei City of Eldoret ole kotoigei eng karonetab rani igorta nebo kenyini nebo University of Eldoret Trade Fair 2024 ole koimongei chong'indo meng'ik koboto kobotik kobun tokwek cheterter asikonyor konetisiet ak naet nebo kasuldaetab tetutik cheterter chebo kobotishet ole kitokyinigei komasato bo University of Eldoret eng nguni asiketuye ak sirindetab logoiwek nebo Kass TV Timothy Kiplimo nemite kosubi korata bo University of Eldoret Trade Fair 2024. Timothy Kiplimo, nengung sait.
Kongoi missing Ben Koech en ketesiet nebo Kass TV nemiten kanaset neo nebo Nairobi en iman en county nebo Uasin Gishu en betutab rani kekushini kong igorta nebo University of Eldoret Trade Fair 2024 kobate Ben Koech nito koma igorta netai, ma igorta nebo aeng, ma igorta nebo somok, kobate igorta nebo 17 ko kikotet sugulit nebo barak nebo University of Eldoret asikoker kole kanyor temik naet ak kanetishet ne inegei nebo kasuldaet nebo tuguk cheterter chebo temishet, koboto mashinishek cheterter chebo temishet, oret netetat keboishe en kasuldaet nebo temishet asikonyor temik kelchin. Ko en inguni amite en agenge en baret nebo kabarunet anan baret ne kibortoi tuguk cheterter che chebo temishet en kebebertab University of Eldoret ko yeimuch ker ko kaitet neo nebo temik che kakoitita en igorita ko tesetai konyoru kanetishet, tesetai konyoru naet neinegei nebo boishonik cheterter chebo temishet ko nito ko agenge en kebeberta ne isuldoe kampunit nebo Kenya Seed kabartaet nebo kasuldaet nebo tuguk cheterter chebo temishet ko eng yuto katelel ko mite marakwek, mite spinach, mite skuma, mite nyanyek, mite tuguk cheterter che tetat koboishe kampunit nebo Kenya Seed. Ibwatile kampunit nebo Kenya Seed ko kampunit ne tinyegei ak chobet koboto aldaetab keswek en emoni ko choto ko alak eng tuguk chemite en imbaret ko nito ko kebeberta nebo kampunit nebo Kenya Seed. Choto chitab kolenjin kit neigeren inguni en screen nengung ko marakwek chemite en kebeberta chebo kampunit nebo Kenya Seed ole en inguni amite ak agenge en afisayat anan branch manager nebo Kenya Seed mornet nebo Eldoret. Amache kityo kokonech itonda kou oleu kit netesetai eng barani koboto boishonik che tinye icheket en inguni ko Nancy kimite live en Kass TV. Imwawech kityo iarorwech kotinygei ako kit netesetai en imbaret nemiu. Tos ne nemi ako tos ne nekochepchi temik en kebebaren kenyini?
Kongoi mising koki chop tuguk chechang anan kikikol tuguk chechang kikachi kepangankei ketindoi kong'ete bandek, marakwek, kitindoi suswek, kitinye sokosokek, kitindoi sogam kekure psongik, kitinye mosongik ak ketinye kora varieties chechang chebo horticulture. Kenya Seed koribe customaek tugul anan ribe kabatik tugul kobun kebeberwek cheterterchin. Kule ongen ko Kenya Seed Company ko kampunit neo eng Kenya ako kampunit nitok koribei kabatik tugul kong'ete chebo emet nekaitit, emet nelalang, ketindoi tuguk chebo emet nekaitit, kitindoi bandek chebo emet nelalang ako chotok tugul konyoru kabatik rani eng kabarunet nebo rani nebo University of Eldoret, kabarunet nebo 17.
Tos ne kit neo ne imangu konyor temik chebwoni anan chekere kampunit nebo Kenya Seed en kenyini?
Iboru konyoru temik technology cheterter. Ngiwe yo nguno ketindoi technologies cheter ole kikoldoi ngwek, kitindoi new varieties chebo bandek, kitindoi chebo marakwek nekikure kazuri eng yu, kitindoi kora ngwek che imuch ikol ole mining atya biik chetindoi ole koret ne mining koimuch kokol akonyor amitwogik kora.
Eng let yun ko agere mi nyanyek che kororon mising. Tos kikure ne ako tos ibe kasarta nebo arawek ata asikoek matured?
Kikure nyota ako ibe arawek 3 sikoek mature and it's high yielding. Imuch ikes chechang mising ko kerib amu it's an hybrid. Hybrid.
Mi biik chekerinen inguni. Tos ikase ndemwochi ne biik chekerinen inguni en Kass TV?
Ameche alechi wakulima keswek wal eng Kenya Seed amu kitindoi keswek kong'ete chebo bandek, chebo suswek, chebo sokosokek kekure sunflower, kitindoi chebo mosongik, chebo psongik, chebo marakwek, kitindoi kora chebo cabbages, kitindoi chebo skuma, spinach. Alechini customaek kotokotin obwa exhibition nebo Eldoret kaker farmers all the way from Baringo, Elgeyo Marakwet, and I'm telling them to come to Kenya Seed stand. Karibuni sana.
Kongoi mising. Noto ko afisayat nebo kampunit nebo Kenya Seed ole kora en yu amite ak agenge en agui amache kityo konyo asikomwawech kole tos kakonyo yu, tos ne nekakonetkei ne ako tos kakoker ne, tos imangu kowektagei ak ne. Amache iname kainet ak imwoch kole ibunu ano ako keitu sait ata ako tos ne nekainetkei ako en inguni?
Kongoi mising. Ane ko Kiptai Kimais, practicing farmer nebo kenyisiek chekakochang'a ako kanganyo nyoker boisiet netesetai ko a real booster eng farmers. Chi age tugul neikilegei netinye kakiletabgei ko ngonyo amu cham anyone kianyo safari nyingi ako ngokawege ibe agere ale mbarenichu chochu tesetai komengechitu amu kisiche lagok komengechitu mbarenik ko technology nekoit nguno keboibochini nebo kwang'ut. Alechini chicho mainyo imilet nemongen ale une. Kamie kabisa kokilgei biik che practicing farming kobwa sinyokoro ole tesetai technology nebo kasari eng Chepkoilel main campus. Kiboiboen biik cheoseni ara ko biik nguno chobo choto komengechi vijana nguvu kazi kalya mabwa usokoro boisioni kiboiboen nebo iman. Ngalechu kakomwa bichu kobo iman kabisa. Chu kakomwa ofisainik chu kobo iman kabisa. Bo iman amu tuguk chekikere live. Kongoi mising ongetestai keker akobo kabatisiet nebo kasari nebo the current technology. So happy, very good, oye, bakwangut, nyalunot.
Kemwa ile nito ko makasarta netai ititai igorta nebo kabarunet nebo chepkoilel sukulitab barak nebo University of Eldoret. Mangen ile en ngotukinyo konyil chechang tos ne kit anan kenyit age tugul nekenyo tos mi walet neikere kole kabit walet nekanet keki newendi kokere kole kasuldaet temisiet en oret neter?
Mi walet amu uo keswek chebendi kotesetai ko keswek kora chenyolunotin ako amu nguno ngap kora koimech ngalekab beek matami beek kekere technology nekotesak nemkotoretech ngolin ngalekab beek ko akot suswek nguno checham akole kotatinye variety cheu nekamach kobunchi keny kole akere kokobwa alake chekakere ale uye chutanyu kamachutanyu akiche ko en kila kenyit komi kidogo, mi mabadiliko kidogo neboibochin wakulima.
Nebo let kityo kemwa kole i practicing farmer anan kisuldae temisiet en kasarta nebo kenyisiek chechang. Ndakitebenin rani kelechin tos temisiet kotinye kelchin tos iwalune?
Temisiet kotinye kelchin lakini shida kityo komeche kerib mkulima en ngalekab marketing. Amu amuchi aproducen man ku viasinik chu karong'yu amuchi aproducen chechang ko mongen anyun ale kou ne the market. Ngalekab dairy farming ko kaker kora ko maya dairy farming lakini shida kora market mameche kotokotebe chego yokilen 40 shillings 50 shillings amune malany koek 70 80 olin so tokokaskei mkulima akotokonyor koek nini koek motivated kotokokilgei kosir yoto.
Kongoi mising. Kongoi. Agenge eng temindet nekamwa kole kikosuldae temisiet en kasarta nebo kenyisiek chechang ko kikonyor inendet kelchinoik ko mitei yu en betutab rani asikoker kole kanyor naet neinegei nebo temisiet keboisie muswoknatet nebo kasari. Mitei kora mi agenge nakuing yo mache kityo komwawech kole kaitita sait ata kurenin ngo akibunu ano ako tos ne nekainetkei akoi nguni?
Kongoi. Aneten kainaik ko Philip Mais ko anyanyoru kanetisiet eng yu kikoldoito pinsik marakwek ko makiserto kuecham kiserto eng gaa oli ak kokeny tarikisiek sinai ile kebor kole in akoi kipen record sikere ile kiakole tarik ata kongoit tarikis arawet nekile kokakotionikitu awam kebut kehavesten. Konekaker ale mi tofauti ak technology. Boisie biik technology kwache makiakinete chibo agriculture chun akikoterit wakatini ko alen kakotoretech akotoreto amu karo tuguk chemoche keyai ak imuchi iboisie sehemu kidogo kosiri na mbaret oleo iserchi tuguk kokararan ole nwach ole mingin akikol tuguk chechang ak konye kuno ngaker ku marakwek chemi nguno kachilke kakanye kabisa akokororonen nawendi kalok nguni aker kobiche kora sukuma kakikol ngoret ake koi nebo ng'omnotet nemakikole koterterak akonyor space akomi kokororonen nguni koka kachamas technology chu wangiboisie imuchi iboisie mbaret nemingin akikol tuguk chechang. Mongen as eng wakati ya kokibut anun koi ketune market uya kakomwa chito nauno kasubu kole iimech ngalekab marketing kokaikol chito tuguk chechang kocho ko baadaye ko lazima kenyoru chemung'arainik amachun chemwari yani ku cereal.
Mwawech kityo tos nito ko kinyo the show konyil ata ko tos kelchinet nekinyoru kobun kabarunet nebo UOE?
Kianyo ngele nebo aeng ra. Agere kowendi kowalaksei. Kingonyo nekitai ko kingoker tu kimakou chepra. Agere chebo rani ale mi barak ra. Mau atkinye. Anyoru ku ole birto beek keboisie solainik. Agere kole ngokito nakakotoreto kora no. Ale kabendi ak kila kenyit nginyo chito ikere tofauti. Anyoru kora ngalekab piasinik. Kakiborwo piasinik yo keswek cho variety. Akele yasinye ip imache keswek koleut ak kwoldoi. Kokito nakanyoru agenge noto ale ngao anyorune saitisi. Akabacham kas amu koi koborwech tuguk chekakemwa eng yu. Simongen sale ngusangapi ole iboru.
Kongoi mising ngachemun Ben Koech amache kityo asiawek soet konyo Nairobi mi agenge en mseni amache kityo komwawech kole tos kakonetkei ne kikonyo University of Eldoret Trade Fair konyil ata ako tos ne kit nekikonyor kelchinet nekikonyor kobun kabarunet nebo University of Eldoret Trade Fair. Iname kainet ibunu ano ako tos kelchinet nekinyor?
Kainet nyu kekureno Bernard Arap Saina abunu county nebo Nandi ole kile Kapchemoywa village. Kanyo Eldoret show nyekiro kakimutwech kongete county ko in kit agenge nekakwong ko kiwa wakulima kongete kingesich kekere boisiek kyok koibu keswek chekororonen nyekekole mbarenik kekese ain baui kokakebwa kora kibotisie ako nguno ko kiyin baui kobetyo keswek simakene kele in kilya ak ni askakeitu asinyekero asin ole u keswot ko keswot man mi marakwek chebo maajabu pinsik chebo maajabu nengikole sikumakomi rubet neu nekikamech kenyit nikonye kwalet miten ngwek ko in kasome serikali eng mastab keswek kobun Kenya Seed kotoret wakulima ya kutosha kabisa amu in ngotko makinyoru keswek ko mami kiy nekeyoe ngotko makinyoru tuguk chekororonen ak mbolea ko mami kiy nekeyoe kikibotisie kicham kekese bandek eng kekait agenge kuniok 40 akwo barak lakini ra maikese angot 20 ko kilya ako isin keswek ak Kenya Seed ko agenge makingen is kele kilya ko in kichame kas amu konech kibarte akobarte tukyoto tugul keswek chemiu kobo maajabu kit age tugul nemiu kobo maajabu nengebe man mbarenik kyok ane ko kabatindet kiabotisie andoi nguno nitok 70 years kabatindet abae tuga akabati mbarenik chebo bandek ko in kit ne kararan ko kimuti wakulima sikiborchin ole meche keaita tuguk alak amu kibendi kemetoi komakwae lagok kyok tuguk chekicham keyoe cheuchu makokute ngony ngilech angot bisemberchi ngwot ing yo komameche ko kaikai kito kiborwech sikekute kidogo kidogo akebiji aketestai kilen kongoi mising.
Kongoi mising Ben Koech ko nito ko itondo ko oleu choto ko alak eng temik chekakomongkei asi koker kole kanyor kanetisiet kobun tuguk cheterter chekimortoi eng University of Eldoret Trade Fair. Ibwat kole nito ko igorta nebo 17 ko kitesetai kisubi asikeker kele kanyor chitab Kolenjin anan biik chekerechen inguni ko kanyor kit netesetai en kebeberta kanetisiet neinegei koboto tuguk cheterter chetesetai. Ben Koech chemwo awek soet konyo Nairobi asitestai ak logoiwekab emet en mashinani kobate tesetai kisubi kit netesetai en University of Eldoret Trade Fair asi kiborchi meng'ik kastoik chebo ketesiet nebo Kass TV koboto Kass FM International. Ben Koech nekatobrindetab pichait nebo betutab rani noto ko Isaac Kogei ko kainenyu ko Timothy Kiplimo amache awek soet konyo Nairobi. Ben Koech.
Kongoi mising Timothy Kiplimo, Isaac Ogei koboto timit tugul noton nebo Kass Media Group nemitei eng igorata bo kabarataetab tuguk nebo kenyini noton nebo University of Eldoret Trade Fair 2024 nekotoigei eng betutab rani ako tesetai agoi betutab Jumamos. Komite komasata Isaac Ogei koboto Timothy Kiplimo akoibwech reportit noto eng koindo eng logoiwekab emet chemite tai. Tetutiet nemite soet eng inguni chitab kolenyin ko Kass Mashinani kimache kenyoru kamung'et nenwach yekiwege konyeketestai ak logoiwekab emet arametwagei.